think I need a bigger chainsaw. Bigger chainsaw. Day 2. I got a bunch of the yard cleaned out. With the front yard basically cleared out as far as grass is concerned. And then we started working in the back. So we pulled out all of that yesterday. And remember, you couldn't even see in the backyard. So we got some backyard now. We found a trash can. There was about a 30-foot tall pecan tree that had fallen over during Harvey that we had to take out. And then today's project is to find the garage. So that is today's project. Trees and find the garage. We'll see how it goes. Oh man. Started cleaning out. This is what we got done this morning. So we got a big live oak tree over here. They cut that out. Live oak wood is very, very hard. So we cut this out this morning. We got to drag all those out sometime or another. I think I need a bigger chainsaw. Got this cleaned out a little bit. Started working in there, got that cleaned out. Found out that this is not a pecan tree, it's a hackberry tree. And apparently they're not really good for anything. They smell really weird when you cut them. It's like a really odd smell. But at least we can see the size of the log now. I'm definitely gonna need a bigger chainsaw. But it stinks under there. So we gotta take all that out today. So need a big chainsaw and a big truck and a big strap. But we got that starting to clear up, clean out, look nice. Got a mulching company coming over, I guess later in the week, to mulch up all the stuff we've been cutting out. Tell them again.
Push the try button. Bye.